Are you guys okay if we start?
Yes.
Okay. You guys want to come up and we'll go through these and then I'll pause the video and you guys can come up and write, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, gather information from your audience. They were doing that one too. Were you guys doing the same ones?
Oh, I guess somehow we did that one too.
Okay, so if our purpose is to gather information from our audience about other things, we're thinking about research, right? Our reason for writing is research. We want to do some research. So when you're writing your research reports, your research essays later on in the course, I usually save that one for like in the new year because we have a lot to do before we get there. You might want to go and actually speak to folks or watch YouTube videos. You guys have experience with that, right, from your research essays on residential schools and truth and reconciliation. We want to hear it from the people themselves, right? So that's going to your primary source and getting that information. Respond or understand something. Journal. When we write in our journal, it helps us to understand what we're thinking or feeling, right? Or descriptive. Yeah, when you start describing something, you start to understand. Tell a story. Narrative. Yeah. What's the difference between a fictional narrative and a non-fictional narrative?
So not true and true.
Yeah.
Something that actually happened.
Exactly. Which is which?
Non-fiction is the true stuff.
Yep.
And fiction is
Yep.
made up stuff.
Exactly.
Or how I
Yep.
would say it.
Yep, exactly. Great. Okay. To persuade people to do something or to think a certain way. Yeah, that falls underneath expository, right? Because we're explaining our opinion and we're trying to persuade them why we think they should have that same opinion or why they should do what we think they should do.
Could that also be descriptive?
Yeah, it could be. It could be. You could mix it, right? You could start out with a description. Like, let's say, what's an example of something we would want to persuade someone to do? Wear a mask. Okay, whether you're anti-mask or wear a mask, let's pretend it's wear a mask, right? You might give a little bit of a description of masks and a little bit of information as well about why we wear masks, and then you might lead into why you think it's good that they wear them. And in there too, you're being a bit expository because you're giving reasons and information, right? Statistics and that kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Give direction, descriptive. Okay, good. Explain how to do something, expository. Yep. I'm going to pause the video. Did you guys get a chance to work through these, or were you working through the same ones?
No, we.
You did these ones?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to pause the video and let you guys put yours up there. Go ahead.